Hi, I'm out here at Jeff's property out in the forest. Got the buggy here, the dune buggy with me. I made up here and painted up. Here it is. Rock and roll. I like my stickers. My radiator, puke bottle. Couple of stickers. Here, what's this? Right on. Did up the dash, paint her all up, everything red. Wicket. Alright. So we're out here in the old bushy. Hold on. Got a glove on here. Yeah, so that's the buggy. That's my buggy, boo. There's a golf course is right on the other side of the trees back there, that little path there is a fence. Golf course back there. And then you can just go anywhere. Yeah. All the leaves falling finally. Everything's starting to pack down flat from the rain and everything and the cold. Fantastic. Yeah, man. Rocking. Yeah, go check up here. Yeah, man. So you can go all over. They made paths and stuff. Trying to go through all different areas and stuff. And that one goes all the way back. Work your way back to the house. Up that way. All right. Well, I'll get in the buggy here. I'll take you for a ride back up to the front there. With the camera on so you can see. I don't know how bumpy ride it'll be, but let's see. Hold on. Oh, God. Get in here. Fire up. Sweet mother of pearl. Okay, hold on. We'll go for a little ride ski. All right, let's go. Rock and roll. Oh, God. Oh. Oh my God. What the hell is that? It's a bottle or something back there. Hey, hold on a second. Whoa. Hold the horses. Hold on. What's with the throttle? What the hell? Hold on a second. What the hell did I see back here? What the hell is this? What the hell is this for me? What in the fuck? Oh. It's a freaking mirror. Oh, okay. So, yeah, one of the side-by-side guys lost his mirror. All right, well, we'll take that back. Oh, he saw something. All right, let's get in here. Oh, all right. Holy shit. Let's rock and roll, boys. Let's rock and roll. Holy shit. Oh. Oh, son of a... Ow, son of a bitch. Here we go. Gotta go around this way here. Holy shit. Oh, it's that dirty bastard. Oh, you are dirty. Beautiful. There. Then you come out to this opening here. Pretty cool, eh? Yeah, let's go through here. Whoa. Holy shyster. God, go around this way. Made a path here. Oh. I'm gonna make it. Oh no. Oh, I don't like the sound of that, brother, sister. There we go. She popped out of gear. Sorry. She's bumpy. There's a couple of boulders up here. Gotta watch for in the path under the leaves. There. Oh yeah. Oh, there's some more. Look out. Biggies. Yep. Oh. There we go. We're almost at the end of the path here at the house. Oh, son of a bitch. popping out of here. Here, hold on, we're gonna squeeze through here. Hopefully. Yep. Oh, God, made it. Oh, shit. Alright, there we go. There's the barn where I keep the buggy and everything. Oh. Let's go for a ride on the fire pit going here. There's Rob's quad there. There's the bonfire pit ski. There's my car. Jeff's boat. Alright. Yeah, man. Oh, there's Rob in the truck. There, Rob, bike.